Step into the magical world of Almaty's Medeo Skating Rink, where legends and dreams intertwine. In 1951, the Medeo Skating Rink was built, becoming the world's highest altitude skating rink at 691 meters above sea level. In addition to speed skating, the Medeu has also hosted international bandy matches and was a centerpiece for Almaty's unsuccessful bids to host the Winter Olympics. Today, Medeo Skating Rink continues to captivate visitors with its enchanting setting and remains a symbol of wonder in Almaty. The Medeu's unique high-altitude location is said to contribute to the super glidey quality of its ice, making it an exceptional venue for speed skating. Visitors can enjoy recreational skating on the historic rink, as well as take in the panoramic mountain views.